Welcome to my home. I'm Jen from A Decorative Home. Today I'm setting up a hot cocoa bar on our sidebar. The girls are back to school, it's fall, and there's a little chill in the air, so why not let them have a little warm start to the morning. So let's get decorating.
Before decorating the hot cocoa bar, I needed to clean off all the decor that was on there already. Once I had all the decor off, it was time to give a quick wipe down to remove any dust. The cake stand gives some height to the bar as well as a place to hold all the spices and hot cocoa mixes. Sprinkles are a great topping for hot cocoa. Here I have a few different colors for the girls to choose from. These jars hold different flavors of hot cocoa. I also have a cinnamon spice for the girls to mix in their hot cocoa. As I decorate, I will move things around. Finding the right placement, I feel that looks best, or being able to add more items. This plate not only adds a little decorative touch, but it also adds a place to hold baked goods. This gnome was just too cute not to add to the hot cocoa bar. Whether it's hot cocoa at home or on the go, I have the girls covered with the perfect cup. The sleeves for the to-go cups are stored in the creamer pitcher, while the mixing spoons and stirrers are in the sugar container. And of course, I moved the coffee cups around again to adjust them just ever so. Adding this cute little pumpkin and then moving my gnome around, I made a couple of little adjustments, and I believe our hot cocoa bar is ready for the season. I hope this hot cocoa bar inspired you to make your own at home.